This is a difficult conversation to have, but necessary. Many of us have known friends, family, or congregation members who had to use GoFundMe or raise funds to bury a loved one. The need for protection for the end of life is becoming more and more common as our population grows older and the need for final expense plans increase. Too often, we take for granted the financial responsibilities that come with caring for a loved one, due to death as a result of illness, or accidental death until it's too late. We at NextGen Family Protection understand this concern firsthand, which is why we offer our 7-member protection plan. This service provides funeral expense coverage for up to 7 individuals, all on a single plan for $75 per month. No one will have to bear the burden of paying for funeral expenses themselves. Additionally, each individual on the plan will receive their own funeral service benefits at an affordable price for the same $75 per month, averaging $10.70 per person. So whether you're looking to help a member in need or protect yourself and your loved ones from unexpected funeral costs, NextGen Family Protection has what you need. Listed here are some of the benefits that all members will receive. A standard funeral service or cremation, a basic viewing room for the funeral home that provides the service. Transfer of the deceased to the funeral home within the designated coverage area. Cemetery or crematorium within the coverage area. In the event that the client chooses cremation, the funeral home will select the crematorium for the final disposition of the deceased. Reminder package and death certificate. Prayer cards and guest book. A standard casket or urn for ashes. A round-trip airfare within the coverage area for the plan holder. This ticket will be subject to the availability of the airline for the sole purpose of accompanying the deceased in the funeral process. Medical exams are not required, and most conditions are accepted. Neither citizenship status nor a social security number is required. Violent deaths, accidental deaths, and suicides are covered 3 days after joining. From our experience, insurance agents cannot come close to making an offer like this. You now have a chance to offer peace of mind to every member in your charge, with the knowledge that their final act will be handled with dignity and grace. If the information that you have received is of interest to you and would like to find out more, please fill out the form on the screen when it appears, to join us for a special presentation. Best regards, NextGen Family Protection.